this landing strip. So you want to stay on the strip and see if you can get all the way to the end of the line. You can go first? Okay, Kyle. Give it a shot. Throw. Woo, pretty good. So Kyle hit 75. Gonna park his plane there. All right. Give it a try, Ethan. Wow.
Whoa, good job, Ethan.
Oh, nice. Ava, good job. Let's see, Sebastian, give it a try. Wow, that was like a stunt, huh? Good job. Next, are you ready?
Oh,
Yay.
so cute.
All right. That was awesome. Do you guys want to try again? Come on, friends, let's do it again. You guys built some great planes. They're flying so nicely. If you feel like you need your goggles, you can put them on. All right, Ava's going to go first. Let's see how our landing goes, Ava. Woo, nice. Oh, good one, Sebastian. Awesome. Woo! Yay! Oh, we have some aviators here. Awesome. Good job. Woo! That is awesome. We can do it again. All right, let's do it again. Here, Ethan. You guys built some awesome planes. Ready? You can go.